لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.
My dear Islamic brothers, tonight after the day of 7th Zul Hijjah, it is the 8th night in the blessed Makkah, resounding that, let's go to Mina, let's go to Mina. Those who had made the intention of Hajj Tamattu should make the intention of Hajj after wearing their ihram.
اللهم إني أريد الحج فيسره لي وتقبله مني وأعني عليه وبارك لي فيه نويت الحج وأحرمت به لله تعالى.
O Allah Azza wa Jal, I make the intention of Hajj. Make it easy for me and accept it from me. Help me in offering it and make it blessed for me. I have made the intention for Hajj and have put on its ihram for the sake of Allah. Pilgrims are busy in preparations. Maybe your Mawlim also told you that tonight you'll be taken to Mina. But remember, if not tonight, then tomorrow morning, before the Zuhr of 8th Zul Hijjah, you have to reach Mina Sharif and make some preparation to go to Mina Sharif. This bag will be very helpful, and in it you may keep a sheet and keep in it a small pillow that can be inflated. You may also keep an additional sheet of your ihram. A pair of slippers should also be kept in it. If you take some medicines, put them in too. And if some biscuits or nimco is kept, that would be useful too. Remember, do not overburden this bag. Now, after filling this bag completely, let's move to Mina. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.